Mentagasni ke arpusan terik unai weng arhajar arpusan ke estimate committee jang ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly hapok ke jinglong syangkonor uba Meral Bonds kila penlong ya ke jinglait banjurip ya ki artlik scheme ki bakongsan ha South Garo Hill District. Kini ki project kilong kawai ke maternity but child hospital MCH ha Mahendraganj bat kawai pat ke grade ampati water supply scheme ha arangre kani ke komiti mentagasni kalai keren ya ke jingya chaprang kini ki artlik scheme kilai keren ya ki jingya kabaki ya kendo bat la kentu ban pendap ha kepor kababiang. Usyong kenor jong ke estimate committee jong ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly uba Meral Bonds ha ke jingkran play ya ke jingkran ula penpau ya ke jing songo ya ki officer bat ya ki board jong ke district administration ki bala ya dan lang.
Myself as the chairman, as well as the honorable members who are present here, the team of 6 MLAs they are here. We express our gratitude to the effort that you have rendered towards ensuring the smooth functioning of various projects within the state, the district administration, which has a great role to play, as well as the official from the health department, the director MCH, the joint director, as well as official from the engineering wing. Thank you so much, DC, Southwest Garo Hills. And on this very note, to continue with the conversation that we already had when we had a first-hand information while visiting the ongoing construction of the MCH hospital in Mahendraganj.
Hakapor balik banjurip ya ke hospital Mahendraganj ke Dr. Nila I. Karsano, Director Bedipet ya ke Health Service but Family Welfare, kalayalam sya ke Jaka Besna ya ke hospital kentup ya ke office na ketenat engineer ketenat kekot kekia bat ke jingtrai kaladap 90% bat ke jingnut kelakot sya ke shipho point kendai pupra klur tengka lasdang ya ke jingtrai house name arhajar arpuar bat kemilen tiban pendap hau benai leber arhajar arpundriu ha kini ke jinglai jurip lesyam ba ke jingtrai kaladap prapu kendai persen bat andala dap kan sam yakin yop sau tuli kisnong ki bedan hadu nyohajar san spak tuli kitunom yeng ki balahap Beta Sing Community but Rural Development Block but kita kisnong ki ha ampati but Beta Sing ki khot jong kani ke estimate committee ki kentup ya urenik ton lingdo Tongkar Kamiani di Shira Remington G Moment udaman bait lamare par Arbingstone bi marak baro kidai ki MLA ha kani ke jinglai la don lang ki officer na ki yang dorbar tau an ki jella ke deputy commissioner ke South Garo Hill ke Hima Nayak Kalasendran lang.
Okay, with having these postnatal after delivery directly to the.
No, I am concerned about the size.
So like, madam, I think it's okay because I think because only one operation per in one person only.
Yes, still.